Hey, I'm Devang. Today I'll show you how to host an n8n for free and start automating in minutes. First, let's head over to Render. Search for Render in your browser and click the official link. You can quickly sign up with your Google account. Super easy. I already have mine, so I'll just log in. Once inside, you will see a few options. We are going to deploy a web service. You'll have three choices: Git provider, public Git repository, and existing image. Click on existing image. Now search for Docker n8n. Click the result. Copy this and paste it into the image URL field. Now connect. Choose any region you like. Select the free instance type and we'll skip adding environments variable for now. Finally, click deploy web service. The deployment process will start. It'll take a few minutes, so let's work on Supabase while that's running. Head over to Supabase and create a free account if you don't have one. I'll log into mine. Next, create a new organization and name it something simple like n8n. Then create a new project called hosted n8n. Make sure to set a strong password. Copy it somewhere safe. I've even linked the Notion page in the description where you can paste and organize everything. Since I'm based in India, I'll choose the South Asia Mumbai region. At the top of your dashboard, click Connect. Then search for Transaction Pooler. Copy all the parameters you see and save them to your Notion page. Let's jump back to Render. If your service is live, you will see a URL at the top of your dashboard. Copy that and paste it into Notion 2. Next, we need a 256-bit encryption key. You can quickly generate one using ChatGPT or any encryption tool. Copy that key and save it as well. Let's get back to Render. You'll see that your service is active. Now create your owner account with your email name and last name, plus with a strong password. Complete the customization setup. It's simple, just answer the prompts according to your setup needs. Once that's done, you'll get a pop-up offering paid features for free forever. Claim it. Check your inbox for an email containing your n8n license key. Copy this. Paste it into your n8n setup and activate it. Finally, go back to your Notion page, grab all your saved environment variables, return to Render, and click on Environment Variables and hit Add Variables. Paste everything, double check for accuracy, and click Save and Deploy. So, congratulations! Your n8n automation platform is now live and fully free. You have successfully built a self-hosted automation powerhouse without spending a time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more automation tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover advanced n8n workflows.